Jimmy, I thought I said never to ever come back in this town again.
Yeah? Well, I told you never to say hi in this town again.
Did you, Cowboy Jimmy? I thought I told you never to say Bob in this town again.
I thought I told you to never say poop in this town again.
Yeah, well, I told you never to say Bob, Jimmy, do Bob in this town again.
Yeah, I told you never to bring a gun back in this town again, and you got a gun. What?
You know I brought a gun in this town, Cowboy Jimmy.
I guess. And now you're gonna jail, McColtonator.
Ah!
Oh, but, oh, Cowboy Jimmy, that was a strong hit, but I don't think I can go on longer. You smacked me in my jaw, and that's my weak point. Oh, I'm not dead. Oh my gosh! Yippee!
Never gonna get me again, Cowboy Jimmy. Never.
Oh my gosh! Oh. Looks like he ran himself into a wall.
Thank you for watching my video.